Welcome to 173 Carriagebrook Cir. This fantastic 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 2-car garage, covered front porch, spacious fenced backyard, as well as luxury vinyl plank flooring inside and granite countertops throughout. Is located in the Carriagebrook subdivision in Camden. It's convenient to I-20 as well as downtown Camden, and just a quick drive to Northeast Columbia as well. So we're out in the front yard. You can see you have a nice 2-car wide driveway leading up to a 2-car garage with carriage style accents on the door. You have some faux accent or some brick accent on the or stone accent around the garage itself as well. Sidewalks in the neighborhood also. You can see you have a nice sort of sloping walkway up to shallow covered front porch here. And then we'll step inside, where you will notice the luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring that is throughout the main level of the home. You step into a sort of a formal living space right off the entry. You have a window here, and then access sort of into the sort of entry hall. You have a half bathroom here, the single vanity, and with granite countertops. Then you also have a coat closet here off that small alcove. And then also right opposite that, just conveniently located, is access to the garage. It's a 2-car garage as we saw from the outside, but you can see just a vehicle parked inside with just sort of a smaller mid-size SUV, just to give you an idea of the space in there. And then as we continue into the home, you have the kitchen on the right side, which you can see has a center island, also granite countertops, white shaker style cabinets. You have a pantry there also, and an included side-by-side refrigerator, above range microwave, smooth top electric range, and dishwasher. And we'll open the pantry so you can see the inside of that. It is a walk-in, just a really nice size, some corner shelving, and window overlooking over the sink, overlooking the backyard. And now you can see how the kitchen space opens up into just the family room here for an additional living space, which also has access to the backyard via the sliding doors, which also serves as a window for the space. So you have a nice patio off the back, and then really nice privacy fencing, and a nice spacious backyard. You can see nice size, a couple trees back there that are growing in. And at the time of the video, it does sort of back up to a wooded area. Of course, that could change in the future. So we'll head upstairs, just carpeted as we go up. So as you step off of the upstairs landing, you have an additional sort of living space, a family room here off, which sort of constitutes or acts as a hallway. And then all of the bedrooms and the additional bathroom are sort of off of that. So we'll just go around. And so this is one of the secondary bedrooms. This is so one of 4. You can see you have a closet there. This one faces the front of the house. And then of course on this side, you have another room. I believe this is our primary. So this one is also front facing. And you have a walk-in closet on this side, which is a nice size. And then the bathroom here as well. And then you have the double vanities as well as the walk-in shower. You have a nice sort of corner seat there, the kind of built-in ledges for some toiletries. And as you can see, just a nice size vanity and the window out towards the front of the house. And then continuing on, we have our second full bathroom. You have a shower and tub in here, a single vanity. additional bedroom. You can see the closet there. And then right next door, we have the laundry room, which is a nice size. You have some additional built-in shelving and then space for a side-by-side washer and dryer. And then last but not least, the fourth and final bedroom faces the back of the house. You can see the closet there. And then the view back towards the door. So that does conclude our tour of this home at 173 Carriagebrook Circle in Camden. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.